guys, welcome back. So today we've got this Lamborghini Aventador SVJ in for a Stage 2 ECU remap. Before we jump into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also notification bell, then you won't miss any of our new videos go live. So installing the RSS Stage 2 ECU remap on this car. The reason why we're installing the Stage 2 software is it's already got a Brooke race exhaust system. So for the manifold back, it's got a decat exhaust system with no silencers in there, so it's an incredibly loud system, as you can imagine. Obviously standard cars are pretty loud, but this one sounds absolutely nuts. Obviously without having any cats, it's going to illuminate the check engine light for the emissions, so that's one of the things that we delete with the Stage 2 ECU software. So yeah, going to optimise the fuel and ignition, all the other maps inside the ECU to improve the power output a little bit more. Obviously this car is a little bit more highly tuned than the regular Aventador from the factory, so we'll see what we can get out of it. But yeah, the noise is going to be incredible, so yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so we finished off tuning the Aventador SVJ with the RSS Stage 2 ECU software. Obviously the reason why I installed the Stage 2 software is it's got a Brooke race exhaust system that removes the factory cats. Obviously the check engine light illuminates because of that, so the Stage 2 ECU software turns off the check engine light with relation to the emissions and leaves everything else intact. At the same time, obviously optimising like fuel ignition, all the other maps inside the ECU to improve power output and torque output, and this particular customer wanted more flames as well from the exhaust system, and I think from all the dyno clips you've just seen you would have been able to see that. So we've got the graphs behind us, I'm going to talk you through them. The red lines are the horsepower, the blue lines the torque, with the dotted lines being the car as it arrived, with the solid lines after. So standard, this car benchmarked on the dyno at 784 horsepower and 555 foot-pounds of torque, and with the RSS Stage 2 ECU software it's now over 800 horsepower, so it's 802 horsepower and 567 foot-pounds of torque. That's a maximum gain within the rev range of about 20 horsepower, 8,350 RPM, and 13 foot-pounds of torque at 6,900 RPM. With standard horsepower now being made about 500 RPM sooner at 7,900 RPM, and max torque is now being made 950 RPM sooner at 5,350 RPM. So as well as having more peak power and peak torque, you've also got big gains within the rev range, and it's making the standard power and torque much earlier within the rev range, and got the flames that the customer wants as well. So hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.